U.S. stocks were trading sharply lower this afternoon here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, giving back some gains from last week's rally as European debt crisis concerns have indeed returned. Now, the new week did get off to a rough start as skepticism resurfaced concerning the European debt crisis as both Italian and Spanish bond yields continued to soar, therefore raising concerns that the European debt crisis may be far from over. This in turn sent investors seeking out safer haven assets, which pushed the euro currency lower against the US dollar and led to a major sell-off in global equities. Team that with a bankruptcy protection filing for trading firm MF Global, a sell-off in both gold and crude oil prices, and the Japanese government intervening in the recent yen rally, and it looked to be a rough finish to the first trading session of the week and a rough finish to the final trading session for the month of October. Now, taking a look to see how the Dow Jones closed out the trading session, it is on the downside, 276.10 points to settle in at 11,955.01. Now, in a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with the shares of MF Global, which saw its shares halted this morning after it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection following a failed attempt to sell itself to Interactive Brokers Group. Meanwhile, shares of Humana rising today 5.84%, this after the health insurance company posted a higher than expected profit while also boosting its full year earnings forecast. However, shares of Sony down today nearly 6% after announcing plans to split its struggling television business into 3 separate units, focusing on LCD televisions, outsourcing, as well as next generation TVs.